Tiago here, welcome back, or welcome. And if it's not the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, let's start a review of the Tank S1 from Kospet, another amazing smartwatch. This time is for ladies. This one is a smartwatch for ladies. I will tell you all about this smartwatch, price, specs, all about it. Let's start with the price. The price tag for the Kospet Tank S1 is $85.99, around £65 I would say. Like always, I will leave links in the video description, please check them up for best price and product information. On the box you have the manual, a magnetic USB-A with 2 pins, and the watch itself. You can have the Tank S1 in 4 colors, pink, black, green, and the one in review, the white one. Checking the watch, it looks really good. Like mentioned before, this is a lady watch, so it's a lot smaller than the other Tank smartwatches, but is built with the same materials of the Tank line. So you have metal and plastic on the body and Corning Gorilla Glass on the display. Like the previous Tank smartwatches, the Tank S1 has also tested with the highest military standard of toughness. It's called mil-std 810H. At the front, you have a nice bezel with the Kospet logo at the top. On the right, the power and the back. At the bottom, Tank and Sport on the left side. This indicates where the buttons are. So, you have 2 buttons on the right side, the power and the back button, and 1 button in the left side, the Sports button. At the back, you have the health sensors in the middle and the charging dots at the top. The Kospet Tank S1 is the smaller of the Tank line, measuring 260mm by 45.5mm, with a thickness of 13.4mm, and weighs only 48 grams. Strong but small, the Tank S1. Let's see the specs next. With this durable body frame and premium sporty look, the Tank S1 is also loaded with a premium screen display. A high-definition wide AMOLED screen display, 1.3 inches AMOLED screen with a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels. And on top, there is a Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Powering all of this up is the Realtek 8763 EWE VP. It has Bluetooth 5.1 and it comes with the standard Bluetooth call support that all Kospet watches have, with its outdoor and sporty look. Also comes its 70 sports mode. From kickboxing to walking, you will be covered. You can check your heart rate 24/7. You can check your blood pressure, blood oxygen. It has a waterproof rating of 5 ATM and the IP69K. And of course, has support for the Kospet app, Kospet Fit. Battery life. It comes with a magnetic charger with 2 pins. Not the most secure connection. It comes loose very easily. The battery will last you around 8 to 12 days. With the always on screen off. With the always on screen on, we will last you around 2 to 3 days. And the Tank S1 will take you around 2 hours to fully charge. Let's have a closer look to the OS. Swiping left will take you to the tiles, where you can have the steps, your health options like sleep monitoring, health rate monitoring, and so on. You can also add tiles if you wish. Swiping to the right will take you to your apps menu with all your apps. Swiping down will take you to the quick settings, where you can turn your watch speaker on, change the brightness of the screen, or change the apps menu, and so on. Please let me tell you that this screen looks amazing. Swiping up from the bottom will take you to the notifications. As you can see, the OS is exactly like the other Tank models. Changing the watch face is also easy. Press for a few seconds and you can choose a different watch face. You can also change it on the app. Talking about the app, it's called Kospet Fit. I have talked about this app on other Kospet Tank videos. There is no changes, so please check the video above if you want to know about the app. The Kospet Tank S1 is loaded with several sports modes. You have 70 sports modes available on the Tank S1. You have walking, running, cycling, kickboxing, and plenty more. And you have a smart recognition of 6 of them. So for example, if you are cycling, the watch will ask you if you want to record your cycling exercise. Now that we are nearly at the end of the review, let's see the pros. Great durability, always on AMOLED screen display, Hi-Fi Bluetooth call support, health monitoring, 70 sports mode, 5 ATM and IP69K waterproof rating. After the pros is the cons, and I only have one. No GPS support. The Tank S1 is the latest rugged smartwatch from Kospet. It is a watch more for the ladies, but I would say that is unisex. It is sporty and looks great. It is packed with tons of features. It has HI monitoring, BP, SpO2 and sleep monitoring. It has also Bluetooth calling, push notifications and 70 sports modes. And also an impressive battery. It is all of this enough for you to buy it? Let me know in the comments. Right guys, so this was our review on the Kospet Tank S1. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. If you want to buy this watch, please use the link on the video description. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.